you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, my dear learners. I am so glad to see you again on my channel. Once again, I am here to teach you how to read words and sentences with AG family. I know you want to read words and sentences, so what are you waiting for? Come and let us read together.
AG family. B A G B A G B AG B AG. Now let's read. Bag. Again, bag. Egg. 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 Now let's read. Fag. Again, fag. Egg. 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 Now let's read. Hag. Again, hag. Egg. 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 Now let's read. Leg. Again, leg. Egg. 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 Now let's read. Nag. Again, nag. Egg. 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 Now let's read. Rag. Again, rag. Egg. 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 Now let's read. Sag. Again, sag. Egg. 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 Now let's read. Wag. Again, wag.
This time we are going to read these words: bag, fag, hag, lag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag. Sentences.
Dad had a bag. The bag has a tag. Rag in the bag. The hag sag in the mat.
Lad, nag, the hag. Congratulations! You made it, kids!
Thank you for watching. To watch this video offline, you can download this video anytime. If you want to read with me, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye learners, see you soon.